Welcome back to Core Tech. Today we're exploring one of the most anticipated compact cameras of 2026, the Fujifilm X100VI. Known for blending classic design with cutting-edge imaging technology, the X100VI continues Fujifilm's tradition of delivering exceptional performance in a small, stylish package. Let's dive into what makes this camera stand out for both photographers and enthusiasts. Design and build, 2026 Fujifilm X100VI. The 2026 Fujifilm X100VI retains the iconic rangefinder-inspired design while introducing subtle refinements for improved ergonomics. The body feels solid yet lightweight, making it ideal for street photography and travel. Buttons are thoughtfully placed for intuitive control, and the robust build includes weather sealing to handle everyday shooting conditions. Its compact footprint ensures it fits comfortably in your hand and bag without compromising on durability. Sensor and image quality, 2026 Fujifilm X100VI. At the heart of the 2026 Fujifilm X100VI is a newly enhanced APS-C sensor paired with Fujifilm's latest X processor. This combination delivers remarkable image quality with vibrant colors, excellent dynamic range, and low noise at higher ISO settings. Whether shooting landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the X100VI captures fine details and accurate tones, making it a versatile choice for both casual and professional use. Lens and optics, 2026 Fujifilm X100VI. The fixed 23mm f2 lens on the 2026 Fujifilm X100VI has been refined to offer sharper edge-to-edge performance and improved bokeh. This lens is ideal for street, travel, and documentary photography, providing excellent clarity and depth in every shot. Its compact design complements the camera's portability, ensuring that you can carry it anywhere while still achieving high-quality optical performance. Autofocus and shooting speed, 2026 Fujifilm X100VI. Autofocus on the 2026 Fujifilm X100VI is faster and more accurate than ever. The hybrid AF system combines phase detection and contrast detection for quick subject acquisition in both stills and video. Eye and face detection are improved, making it ideal for portraits and street photography. Continuous shooting is smooth, allowing photographers to capture fast-moving subjects without missing critical moments. Video capabilities, 2026 Fujifilm X100VI. The 2026 Fujifilm X100VI offers advanced video features, including 4K recording at high frame rates and enhanced color profiles for cinematic results. Stabilization improvements and superior autofocus tracking ensure smooth, professional-looking footage. This makes the X100VI not only a stills camera but also a capable tool for content creators and videographers on the go. Connectivity and workflow, 2026 Fujifilm X100VI. Connectivity options on the 2026 Fujifilm X100VI have been upgraded, including faster wireless transfer and improved mobile app integration. Tethering, remote control, and quick image sharing are all seamless, allowing photographers to streamline their workflow and focus on shooting. The improved interface makes menu navigation intuitive and user-friendly. Final verdict, 2026 Fujifilm X100VI. The 2026 Fujifilm X100VI blends classic design with modern imaging technology, making it a top choice for photographers seeking a compact, versatile camera. With its enhanced sensor, refined lens, fast autofocus, and advanced video capabilities, it excels in both everyday and professional use. For anyone looking for a stylish, high-performing compact camera in 2026, the Fujifilm X100VI delivers on all fronts.